So for those of you that don't know, Women of Innovation in its 16th year is really celebrating the contributions of women in Connecticut to technology and STEM education. And so today I want to introduce two finalists from the Large Business Innovation and Leadership Award. So our first finalist is Jackie Graziano. Professionally, she's a successful and published PhD and a program manager at Raytheon Technologies, and has a huge passion for STEM, including inspiring and mentoring the next generation of engineers, which is just so important. Jackie, congratulations. I have to say, I love the term STEMinist. Hadn't heard it before. Yeah, listen, I mean, you're innovation in word and in deed, so it's pretty cool. Where does your passion for STEM come from?
It's really, I think, innate. I'm a first-generation college student. No one in my family is a scientist or an engineer. So my journey had really started in college when I met this incredible role model, Christine Broadbridge. And she was the catalyst that set me on my path. I always aspired to be what she was for me. And so it's come full circle. I've been able to do that in my professional career and also in the way that I just want to see more women and girls in our fields.
Do you see the role of women in the field growing?
Yes, absolutely, which is so exciting to see. We still have a lot of work to do, but that's why we have powerhouse women like Amy Grace as, just one of these incredible leaders that I view as a role model. And so just rallying around women and people of color to join us in STEM. And I think in this time, companies are really stepping forward, so I'm really excited to see what happens next.
And that's really, really awesome. Just one last question, we'll move on, which is like, what do you think people who maybe aren't women or minorities in STEM but would like to help encourage that, what can we do to help kind of move that forward and expand the tent, if you will, of people that are in STEM and feel like they can be a part of that career path?
I really feel very strongly that representation matters. I use the hashtag #SeeHerBeHer all the time. We need to be seen, we need to be heard, and we need to wrap our arms around our youth and to really just give them opportunities to be able to see themselves in us. But also, there's so much work that CCAT and the organizations within Connecticut are doing to really engage youth and to cultivate that pipeline. So it starts young, as we know, and we just need to keep at it.
That's awesome. Well, congratulations again, Jackie. Look forward to seeing what happens with Women of Innovation. And next, I'd like to introduce Amy Grace. Amy is a longtime Raytheon Technologies team member in various divisions, but recently returned to her roots as an advanced sustainment director for military engines at Pratt & Whitney. She's currently working to develop cutting-edge digital tools to enhance supporting engines around the world and is passionate about getting these new tools into the market to enhance product and business performance. Amy, congratulations on your nomination. I think your experience is just so timely, especially given today's webinar focus. And I wonder if you might be able to share your perspective on evaluation of digital technologies and how we should be embracing them in today's manufacturing world.
Sure, thanks for having me. I started off as a engineer in development of our products and, a lot on the military side. But then about midway in my career, I moved over to support our products in the field just to make sure that our end customers really had an excellent experience. And the power of the digital technologies really helps us to be able to get full visibility of our product across the life cycle. So from the point that we manufacture it and gathering information about different manufacturing processes and testing results that we have, and then to be able to follow our product into the field and understand how different usage and environment impacts the part's capability and reliability, and then following that part into the MRO. And the ability to, the strength of digital technologies to be able to create that thread all the way through and help us anticipate our customers' needs and serve their needs has really been a breakthrough that I've seen in the last 5 to 10 years. It's very exciting.
And does it drive bottom line business results?
Yes, a lot of the way we measure ourselves is in the availability of our assets. So not only can we watch our product's performance in real time and anticipate maintenance needs and make sure that the parts and the personnel are there to keep our customers flying, so that readiness, but also the ability to optimize our inventory and help our forecasting, which helps on the business side as well.
That's awesome. Amy, congratulations. That's some exciting technology. Love to hear what you're doing. Appreciate it. Congratulations on your nomination and best of luck.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. All right, handing it back to you, Ron.
Ari, thank you. That was fantastic. Amy and Jackie, congratulations on your accomplishments. You certainly are an inspiration to all of us on this webinar, but certainly as it comes to the young women going into STEM fields, we certainly hope that you continue to mentor those and get your message out there. The Women Innovation event, again, 16th year, hosted and organized by Connecticut Technology Council. We're going to keep moving this forward and celebrating women innovation. And next week we will feature some additional finalists.